Hey guys, this is a 2017 Lexus RC 200T. Well, this works for pretty much all the RCs. Just to reset either your oil maintenance light or your scheduled maintenance light. Of course, if you do own your own work or you don't go to a scheduled dealer certified, it's not going to reset for you, so you don't want to be seeing that maintenance light. I already reset it, but this is how you do it. First thing you want to do is move this. Press that button right here, so that moves that to the right. And in the very top, I already have it at settings, but you see, you scroll left or right. So you would just scroll to the settings, hit the middle button, okay, and then just scroll down, and you would hit schedule maintenance, which I just did, and then just hit okay, reset. Or there's also oil maintenance if you just got an oil change and you want that reset, and just hit okay. It's that easy, and then just exit back out. So thanks again for watching. Talk to you again.